Hi guys, so let's make an origami plate. I'm sure you see me making many paper things like mostly food. So now, why we don't make a plate? So let's start. I'm going to use a green sheet of paper to make a green plate. So first what we're going to do is just fold a little bit up in the corner. And we're going to do it to every side, just a little. I will see that just 1 inch. Rotate, fold, then rotate, then fold. You do it to every side. So we will have a circular shape, or you can just call it an octagon. So we will fold just a little like we do before, just a little different, just to fold it up. And how much you make the triangle shape, and do it to every side. We're almost done. Just one more, then done. There. Rotate, then fold, rotate, fold. So there we have our origami plate. Thanks for watching. See you guys.